newest thing that I have added to my hair health hair regimen. This is the advanced hair growth formula from iRESTORE. You guys know I've done many videos on iRESTORE on my channel. You can go back and look at my hair loss journey, my hair growth journey. I used the iRESTORE laser device for years. I'm talking like 5-6 years. My husband uses it. My mom uses it. I love iRESTORE. They just recently came out with this supplement and I am obsessed. I just started taking this about a month ago, but I feel like I'm already seeing an improvement in my hair. I'm personally a supplement fanatic, so this was super easy for me to just incorporate into my normal supplement routine. I do take this with a meal. You take 4 pills a day. This has an ingredient called Lustriva in it, which is clinically proven to improve the hair within 21 days. And that's literally why I started taking it, because I want to grow and improve my hair even more. It also has essential vitamins and minerals that helps aid in the health of your hair. It's vegan, it's non-GMO, and I also love that it has a secondary benefit of helping with the skin and nails. iRESTORE has just been one of those constant brands that I love and support, and I just know that their stuff works. So I'm so excited to see long-term what this does for my hair. The best way to nourish your hair is to really do it from within. So that's exactly what this does.